Here I am again. The cool thing about this house is it has a fireplace. Not crazy about this blue color, so that's gotta go. Um, just got another, if anybody wants a lift, maybe I can hook you up. There's a lift here. I'm not keeping that lift. So obviously there's a lot of work to do. The way that like look at all this junk. Should I keep this couch? A lot of the stuff that people do when I used to dream of renovating real estate and buying stuff, fixing it up, it's a lot of fun, but it is a lot of work. I also do private money lending, right? So this is where for me to do real estate, to do a deal, right, buy a house, renovate it, it's like you got to think to yourself, I've been doing this for 16 years. I learned starting out a realtor for a long time. Then we learned how to do and what to look for in properties, right, in a market where I've seen people lose their money. I've seen things not go so well. So if you're going to invest in any real estate, you should probably like if you're going to be an investor, like I'm an investor in some deals. If you're going to be an investor and invest in real estate, you should work with somebody who knows what they're doing. And also, if your money's just sitting in a bank, maybe it's not making anything, but if you invest it and you get a little bit of a return, right? You can have your money work for you without necessarily doing all this heavy lifting. But there's also a lot of years of experience behind knowing how to buy and what to buy. So I guess the best way to get started is start small and then grow your way into bigger opportunities. For us, starting small was real estate. But if you already have money, then you could start as an investor. And if you want to go all in, it's a lot of work, but it's super rewarding bringing these houses back to life. And obviously, it's time. It takes energy, it takes dedication, and you kind of have to love it, right? You got to make sure that it's something you enjoy to do, because doing these renovations, things go wrong. There's headaches. Things don't always go right, and you have to be able to manage that. So if you're a realtor and you have a property that you may want to sell, I'd love to come take a look at it, give you a nice quick opportunity, and we can make some good investments together. If you're a investor, you could start talking, taking people out for coffee and seeing what would it take to invest in things like real estate, right? Short-term real estate to renovate, value add, things like that. And if you want to do this yourself, you should start evaluating numbers all the time on different properties and different projects, and just start figuring out what could my cost be. And then you start managing how you're going to get the loans, what kind of loans you're going to get, where's the money going to come from, and who's going to do the work, and what is the product going to look like. Good luck.